Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Robinhood. Here we are inside my Robinhood account for demo purpose. Now, we'll make our first deposit of $50 to start. Tap the button labeled buying power. If your account is brand new, this will likely show $0. Then tap the button at the bottom that says deposit funds. This brings up the screen where you can begin the transfer. If you have more than one linked account, tap under the From section to choose one, or if the default is correct, leave it as it is. Next, type in the amount you want to deposit. In this case, we are depositing $50 from my linked bank account into my brokerage account. Once ready, tap the Review button on this screen. Confirm that the details are correct. If you want to set up recurring deposits, you can change the frequency to weekly, twice a month, monthly, or quarterly. But for now, we will make a one-time deposit, then tap the transfer $50 button at the bottom. This takes you to the confirmation screen showing the deposit has been started. It's expected to complete in about 6 days since the weekend is coming up. As a Robinhood user, you can access instant deposits of up to $1,000. That means you can invest right away even before the funds arrive. Just make sure the money is in your bank account. If not, the transfer might be reversed, and that could remove access to instant deposit later on. Now tap continue. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.